guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another ponytail review unboxing. It is this little ponytail here. It is the Beshe ponytail. It is called the Curlable, and the style is, let's do it this way, PT-212HT, and the color is F430. I got this. I'll link all the information for this ponytail below, so please check there. I list several websites always, so that you can see if you can pick it up if you like it. This is Curling safe up to 400 degrees. So let's start the unboxing. So if you're interested, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, we're unboxing this unit. Again, this is the Beshe Ponytail Curlable, and it is in the style PT-212HT and the color F430. So let's take this out the box to see what it looks like. And if you like this unit that I have on here, I will list it right up above here, so you can click it and check that one out. It's the OUTRE for a kinky ponytail. The timeless ponytail is a drawstring ponytail as well. And on the stock card, it doesn't have anything on here other than it lists all other colors that it comes in. That is just about it, and it's just like a wild looking ponytail. On the ends, it just looks like it needs to be curled or combed or something. So it's very soft. The hair is on the ponytail, and it's short. It looks to be about a 10-inch, if that. So let's check it and see. I'm guessing maybe it's about a 12-inch. It's what I'm getting. So actually it's a 12-inch ponytail. It doesn't look to be 12 inches. It looks more like a 10 to me. It looks awfully short, but we'll go with the 12 since that's what it measures. Okay, let's look at the inside of it. It is the normal mesh stretchable cap. It does have two combs on it, one at the top, which is about an inch wide. Let's hold that up. And then it has one at the bottom, which is about the same. They are the metal combs. It has the drawstring at the bottom, and then it has the covered hair where it folds under and goes back. It has it at the top as well as the bottom, so I guess you can wear it either way, but I usually wear the drawstring at the bottom, but it just depends upon how you like to wear it, because with hair it's based on personal preference. And you can see how this one is sewn on. It's just straight across each piece. You can see that how it's sewn onto the mesh netting, and it opens all the way up to a flat one. Some of them don't do that one, but this one opened up pretty good all the way to a flat circle. So if you want to wear it a little bit differently than in a ponytail, you can, if you so choose to wear it a little bit wider. I wouldn't, but it's up to you. So I'm going to take this one off that I have on, and then we'll put this one on and we'll see what it looks like. So stick around for the try on. Okay, I have my ponytail taken off, so I'm going to go ahead and place this one on. So I turn around. I just have my hair in two little twists, and I wrap them around. So I'm going to take the bottom piece and tuck it. And then I'm going to take the little comb in the top and tuck it as well. Then pull the drawstring to just pull it together around my natural ponytail. And as always, pull it as tight as you can actually stand it. And wrap the comb around. I mean, not the comb, string. I only took it on this little piece, but sometimes I can't because it makes it too tight. But today I can. It feels fine. And I'm going to, oh, that's a little wild. I'm going to take a bobby pin and just secure it in the front of these long bobby pins. And I'm going to take another one and secure it in the back, and that's it. So I'll let you guys see how it goes over right there and the top. Hope it covers the little knot. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad. It matches with my hair color. And this is a very inexpensive ponytail. I didn't pay a lot for this, but I don't know if it's covering my actual ponytail. It feels a little weird up there, like it's not covering. So we're going to get the mirror and take a look in just a second. But the hair texture, I don't know, it doesn't feel that bad, but it doesn't feel that good either. That's what it looks like on the stock card. Let's turn around. That's what it looks like in the back. That's what it looks like in the crown. Well, it looks like it's covering pretty good. I don't see any issues with it. So what I would do if I wore this way, I probably would take a flat iron and at least bump it a little bit to bump it under. I remember I used to wear my hair like this a long time ago when people used to wear crimps, and I used to just crimp my ponytail under so it would be cute like that as well if you want some waves in it. But I wouldn't personally, I wouldn't wear it just like this without some kind of flat iron to it to straighten it out a little bit. But I think it would be cute once you bump it under or bump it up, whatever you choose to do with it. But as far as it wearing it just this wild, I wouldn't. But it's a good ponytail for the price, and I think it'll do the trick if you styled it. I'm not going to style it today. Or should I? I don't think so. I'm just going to review it as is out of the box. Not going to do anything to it. I might would actually cut it even. If I'm going to wear it like this, before I bumped it, I would probably cut it even around, because it's not cut even. It's just, you know, a little raggedy on the ends. So I probably would do that and then just bump it. Yeah, that is it, guys. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Please check the description box below for all the info on this unit, as well as the unit that I had on at the beginning of the video. Click on that little eye up here in the corner. It's a list of all the ponytails, that not all of them, but it'll be a list of some of the ponytails that I have reviewed, and I will link you to a playlist of my reviewed ponytails, and you can check those out if you're interested in checking out drawstring ponytails. You can check there as well, and I will have some listed on the screen as well. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up these videos if you'd like me doing the ponytail reviews. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.